Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and it's easy to find a bed frame that looks good, but what about one that's quiet, sturdy, has lots of storage space underneath the bed? Well, that is much harder to come by, but I found all of those things with this bed by Artimorany. I love the vintage look of this bed, and with the black matte metal, it's so classic that it never goes out of style. I was really impressed with how sturdy this bed was. We did put it together ourselves. All the pieces were labeled. It took us only about 30 minutes with a screw gun, which you don't need, but we used. And I was honestly a little bit worried about how it would hold up. But then I got up on it and I jumped on it and I was like, okay, this is it. And having the metal slats on the bottom so close together makes it so you don't need a box spring. So we threw that away and put this directly on the frame, and it is still so comfortable and noise free. I also really appreciated that there was a 12-inch height for storage, because this is our guest room, which also doubles as my workroom. I want to store a lot of stuff away, so I can just slide it under the bed. So stop worrying about stability, stop worrying about noise, stop worrying about storage space, and get yourself one of these beds by Artimorany. You will not regret it. And that's my point of view.